Move forward, let the others drink. Bring the water over here, careful now.
We're almost there. Get ready to move. Roger that. Watch the left flank. Keep the line moving. We need 300 loaded before noon.
Ándale, vamos. Sigue subiendo. Cuidado con la pata. Álzala. Eso es.
Easy now, keep moving. Come on, nice and steady.
All right, back it up slowly now. Watch the left side.
Easy now, nice and slow. Watch the edge. Okay, bring the next one down. We are clear here.
Keep them steady, team. Nearing the processing zone now. All clear at the rear.
Reading confirmed at 2045.
All right, bring the next one up slowly.
Scan complete.
Temperature reading 37.4. Recorded.
Camel A is 37.1.
Noted. Proceeding to Camel B.
Look here, this spot on the radius seems slightly off.
Let's get another lateral view to confirm.
The density looks good on the distal phalanx.
Agreed. Moving to the spine now. Moving the probe slightly higher now.
All right, the four-chamber view is clear. Tricuspid valve looks good.
Vitals are strong.
Yes, and the echo shows no signs of regurgitation. The chamber sizes look good.
There's the renal cortex. Everything looks completely normal.
Confirmed. I'm logging the measurements now. Make sure you get the underside of the hump. Okay, I'm adjusting the pressure now.
Guide him gently into the deep end. Applying the premium wash now, starting the brushes.
Make sure you get under the neck there. Yes, almost done with this side. The new shampoo smells great. All right, moving to the rinse cycle now.
We're maintaining optimal moisture levels across all zones.
Agreed. The synchronization is flawless.
Here in the stretching department, we combine advanced machinery with meticulous human oversight to achieve unparalleled quality.
Alignment is flawless. This one is approved for finishing.
Every seam and every zipper is scrutinized by our expert team. We ensure unparalleled quality before the leather leaves the factory.
Forklift 3. Confirm shipment 7B is loaded. Affirmative. Moving to staging area now.
The texture on this sleeve is perfect.
Agreed. Let's move to the next angle.
Did you verify the count for the Tokyo shipment?
Yes, all 100 pallets are accounted for in the system.
Did you verify the count for the Tokyo shipment?
Yes, all 100 pallets are accounted for in the system.
Container number 4056 verified. Cross-referencing with the manifest now. Everything seems to be in order for the Dubai shipment. Notice the richness of the texture. The hand stitching here truly highlights the craftsmanship and durability of the jacket. Feel the suppleness of this camel leather. The craftsmanship is truly exceptional.
The stitching on this is incredible.
I know, the fit is perfect. It feels amazing.